map.
Hey guys, it is Tyler, and I'm here with Zach today. We are doing a scary game called White Noise Online. It was his idea, so I thought we'd do that. So I thought we'd do this. I said, why the hell not? I got it. It was $1. If you guys like this enough, we will definitely do more of this, some more scary games together. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, so we can do more of this. You ready?
No.
Let's go. Come on. We can't avoid this forever. I don't want to either, but come on. Oh god, and this is on normal. You've never been on this map?
No.
Oh god, we're both at a disadvantage. Wait, what? Picking up things is A, right?
Yeah, A is pick up, right trigger's the run.
Oh god, we're in a building. You mean left or right triggers in the building? Wait, why should we turn off the flashlight? Huh?
X.
Nope! 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 Nope!
What?
Saw it. Wait, what happens if we turn off the flashlight?
Nothing. I'm right behind you.
Where? Dude, I saw the thing in the other room.
Alright, go. Get away from it.
Okay, hey, what do the tape recordings look like?
They look like tape recordings. Like, you know, like it
Yeah, but where would we find this shit? I'm on it.
Don't go in there, Tyler.
Don't go in where?
Look to your left. That way. Don't go that way.
Don't go that way. It was in there.
Green statue.
I have a feeling that this is gonna pop up right in front of us at one point.
What it is the green statue at first.
At first it goes easy until you pick up more.
It's just like Splinter. When you pick up the first recording, that's when he breaks free from a statue and he comes after you.
Wait, there's something in the statue?
You didn't know?
No, I've never known anything of this.
I thought I said something. Yeah, the statue's not the monster.
Ah.
The statue's just a form of the monster.
Dude, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm
Jeez.
right behind you.
I was about to say, don't scare me like that, man. We really need to find one. I feel like we're just gonna be running around for this whole time and not finding one ever.
I'm going over here by the rest stage.
Seriously, I have no idea what the hell. I understand they look like tape recordings, but still, I swear to God, don't you leave me behind.
I'm not.
Good. Okay, the thing's not near us, so that's good. Okay, that's us. Huh?
You'll hear it when it's behind, when it's after us. It'll start whispering.
Oh God, it whispers?
Yeah, you don't hear the whispering?
Alright, now. What the hell's in here? Okay, I feel like there's gotta be one in here somewhere.
Yeah.
You hear that noise, right?
Yeah.
Tape recording! Tape recording!
No, shit.
Ah! Was that a bad idea? Which way are we going?
Yeah. Oh,
Are you following me?
right behind you.
Okay, good. Nope! Nope! I saw the statue. You right behind me?
I saw it too. Yeah.
Okay, please don't tell me he's broken free yet.
I think it's after 2 recordings, but first recording the statue starts chasing, like, you know, teleporting.
Yeah, cause...
Did you hear that?
my screen flashed for a sec. Nope! 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 I don't know where you are!
He's behind us! Tyler!
He's not behind us anymore.
He is! I'm telling you!
No, there's a statue.
The statue! Just...
Let's go this way. Are you behind me?
I don't know, I'm not looking.
There you are. Which way do we go? We've been that way.
Let's go left this way, this way.
Dude, this is honestly fucking scaring me. The intense.
I'm shaking like legit.
No! Nope, 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 nope. Go up, go up. Are you right behind me? Good. That honestly scared me. I boom, I was like, ah, ah!
No! This is a bad idea, Tyler. I regret my decision.
I don't. Dude, where do we go? Follow me.
I don't know. We just went this way. We went to get the recording first time.
Really?
Yeah.
I hear that noise.
I'm scared. I hear it too.
Same here. I honestly. Ah!
What?
I see it.
I don't see it.
I saw it. It was like right over there in the far distance. Will it chase us? Ah!
Get away, run!
Dude, we can't move anywhere. This is bull. We literally can't. I saw a flash and went away.
Yeah. Are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right by your side. Did you hear that?
Uh-huh. I'm ready to bitch out when you are.
Oh! 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 I don't know where to go. I honestly don't know.
Right to the left, there's one turn over to the left.
It's gone. Jesus fucking Christ! This video's just gonna be screaming.
He's in the door on the right.
I saw that. Wait, if you don't look at him, then he won't chase you.
Yeah, just don't look at him. It's just like Slender. If you look at him, he kind of chases you.
Dude, we can't barely go anywhere. This is bullshit. I heard that.
Uh-huh.
Seriously, I don't know what any tape recordings are.
Idea strategy is to split up, but I'm too much of a bitch to go off by myself.
So he doesn't catch both of us? You want to?
No. Nope.
Zach?
I'm doing it by myself. No. Nope.
I want to beat this, and why is the flashlight flickering?
I think it has a battery.
No! I am not running around here in the dark. I'm honestly fucking creeped out, man. I'm feeling chills. Dude, I haven't felt chills in the game in a while. I'm honestly scared.
I told you, this game is terrifying.
Dude, there's gotta be a tape recording around here.
There's a recording in here, I believe. There's right there.
Where?
Found it right here.
You got it? Good. He better not trap us.
I'm legit shaking.
Dude, and just think, we got the second one. That means he's getting harder.
The furthest I've gone is 6 recordings.
Really? How hard does it get then?
Extremely. He was legit right behind you every corner he took.
Scary when the room's like complete. Oh!
What?
I saw him. Where are you?
Right behind you.
Oh! 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 Oh!
What?
Oh! You saw that too, right? He popped in front of me. That scared the living piss out of me. I literally keep screaming. Huh? Oh! Don't look to the left!
Yeah, that's what I just said. Don't look.
Dude, I keep screaming. It's just a habit at this point. I'm so fucking... I'm screwed. I'm fucking spooked, man.
I'm so terrible. I honestly, this is gonna make a great video.
I honestly, to some people, this game isn't terrifying at all, but to us, it's just terrifying for some reason.
I'm pretty sure the majority of the recording is gonna be pitch dark and us yelling at the
Top of our lungs.
nothing. And like,
I mean, from the tablet, from what I'm seeing from the tablet, I mean, it's picking it up pretty good, like, where we're going to and all that stuff. Yeah, dude, people are gonna be laughing their asses off from us screaming so much. I don't know what to call the video.
Two bitches play White Noise Online.
Hell yeah, I'm calling it that.
Behind.
Okay, you're right behind me, good.
I'm trying to keep up behind you. Don't forget, right trigger or sprint.
I'm using left trigger. Oh!
Trigger doesn't.
I hit it, I don't know where he is.
There's a recording in here, I can hear it.
I heard that noise, but I don't know where he is.
After recording.
No, before then. Okay, we just got away from it.
Tyler, where'd you go? I lost you. Oh, there you are.
I got it.
Good job.
I got it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We're already 11 minutes into this. Honestly, it's felt longer than that. What about for you, Dakota? And Zach? Has it felt longer?
I don't know if we can. I think we're gonna die eventually.
No, I said, has it felt longer than 11 minutes? Because that's how long we've been recording.
Are you serious? It's so longer than 11 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not kidding. It literally says about 12 minutes. What was that?
Look behind you, look behind you, look behind you, look behind you, look behind you.
We've been here. We need to turn him out. Okay, we need to take a left.
Feel like we do, but I think he's in there.
Oh!
What?
He was to my left. Okay, you good? You are behind.
What makes me jump is whenever it
Oh!
says that right there.
Whoa, when I do that?
The white noise.
Oh.
And then it flashes.
I thought it was me screaming. Like, I don't mean to, but this is just honestly fucking creeping me out. Recording.
I can hear it. I found it.
Grab it. Oh god, we're halfway there. You know, I have to admit, for our first video, we're not doing bad for our first time.
No, we're not, honestly.
Half is not bad, but
It's gonna get a lot harder now.
I wanna cry.
I'm legit shaking.
I know. I'm almost to that point. I hear noises.
Now I'm gonna hear noises. If you stop and hear colors.
You know, thank God we're not in the same room, because I have a feeling you'd punch me if you got scared.
No, I'm not violent. I'm not violent when I get scared.
Okay, good.
I just jump.
Have we been here?
Watch. No. We probably will be on that.
Do you hear any recordings?
No. I feel like he's to our left. And look, guys, I'm using
Found it. Found the recording.
I'm using turtle beaches, and you know what the sound quality on turtle beaches are?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm using my Xbox headset. Yeah, because I had a feeling we haven't been in that book. Jesus Christ. I mean, like, I'm still scared, but it's not as bad as it used to be, because I haven't seen them in a while, so... I mean, it's a good thing, but a really bad thing.
I don't play horror games at all. I was worse than... No, this is probably the worst I've ever been.
What do you mean?
Dakota's I played Dead Space, and I got spooked at Dead Space.
But you haven't been this scared?
No, I've never been this scared. I've never really gotten...
Oh wow, and I can record you at your scaredest moment. Oh! There was a recording there too, son of a bitch! What, is he back there again? Yep.
Yeah, he's there.
Damn it, I want to get that recording too.
I didn't see it. I was too busy getting...
I kinda did. I think that was a recording. If you want to circle back around and get it, we can.
Yeah.
Nope, he's still there. Where do we go?
Go back the way we came, this way.
Swear,
Still there.
I'm happy he hasn't chased us because I got caught in a corner for a second. Is he there still?
No.
Yep, that's a recording. What's I think it is? Yep. Jesus, we're 6 and 8.
I have no...
Dude, we're 6 for 8. Oh my god.
Take 2 more, we're gonna die. If we win, this is probably pretty easy. I shouldn't say that because I'll jinx us.
dude, I literally feel lucky we got this far enough this recording of this.
Yeah, are you gonna have to... Don't look to your right, don't look to your right, don't look to your right, don't
He's
look to your
there?
right. Yeah.
I hear it.
We've been in here before?
I don't know.
I found one. I found it.
You did?
I think.
Is it?
Did I?
No?
I broke off from you, so I don't know.
Where are you?
Tyler, where are you? Tyler.
Dude, I seriously, I don't know where you are. There you are. Wait. Oh! Wait, that wasn't recording there?
Don't look at him. No recording. No recording.
That, son of a bitch. Okay, we still got good recording time left. It's been 17 minutes. Don't look to your right. Don't look to your right.
Don't look to my right.
No! Oh! Oh god! Oh! He's so close. He's so close.
Is he?
Ah! He literally popped right, like right there, almost by my face.
I'm actually kind of glad that you got recorded because then you can, this is pretty fun.
You were kind of glitching out there.
I'll look to your left. Okay, no, it's fine. That's the new area that we haven't been in yet. Yeah, this is a new area. I think there's recording. There's recording here. I can hear it.
Oh god.
Found a recording. Found a recording.
I lost you.
Stop moving. I'm right here.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I found a recording.
Good.
So we gotta get the last one.
Dude, I'm so scared.
Just think, this is normal.
I don't want to imagine hard.
Fair. Or hard. Or is it just me or is our flashlight getting darker?
It's getting darker and I'm hearing the noises. It's a little to the point where I can barely see in front of me.
Yeah.
We've literally explored almost this whole map. I don't know where to go next.
Well, it's not like the recordings don't spawn at the same time. Once you pick one, another one spawns in.
I understand that, it's just weird. Like, we've been almost there. Oh, God. Dude, like, it's literally so dark I could barely see in front of my face.
There's really no point in even having the flashlight on now. I'm not gonna...
I hear that.
I didn't hear anything.
I did.
Don't look behind him.
I'm not. Dude, it's so fucking dark. Like, my eyes are hurting.
My eyes are hurting. We're letting it out. But,
I I realized we got to the point where we're not, like, screaming right now. Like, we're not that bad. It's just, eh.
No, it's get used to it.
That's because the motherfucker hasn't spawned yet. Surprisingly. I heard a noise.
We're gonna try screaming like little bitches. From where?
I don't know.
I hear it coming from our left. I could be wrong though.
I don't want to know. I don't know if we should run.
I've been running.
Oh, you have? I haven't. I will. Dude, I'm honestly fucking getting terrified again. Dude, that noise is getting closer. Dude, damn it, we've made a loop. I feel like we have.
We did. This is where we found the fixed recording.
Oh! It was left, it was left. He was on our left. Fuck this.
Okay, I'm still gonna attack you!
Huh?
We're basically stuck in a loop now because
Oh! He was slowly. I saw a bit of his body like on the corner of my eye.
I fully turned to the right and saw him.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna name this two bitches playing White Noise Online.
That's what you need to name it. Two bitches playing White Noise Online.
I have a feeling people are gonna enjoy this.
I have a feeling they are too.
I'm gonna put in the description so much screaming.
So much bitch noises.
We found one here,
Yeah, we've been in there.
but I hear another noise.
I don't think it's in his house.
Turn around.
We're just gonna corner ourselves.
Well, yeah. I see his body.
We can't go anywhere. We're safe. Don't we can get through.
Oh! 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 I'm dead.
I see.
Dude, he popped up in front of me. Oh my god, that gave me a mini heart attack.
I know.
Wait. You saw my dead body?
22 minutes. Yeah, I can see you. When you did ghost.
You got caught right after me?
Yeah. Oh.
I didn't know you... Scream 3!
There was more than that.
Oh bullshit, we screamed almost every time. This was our path.
Yeah, let's see. Because I know we stuck together most of the time.
About all the time.
And where the red exclamation marks are where he popped up, the pieces are the pieces.
What, the exclamation marks is where the pieces popped up or where he popped up?
Exclamation marks are parts where they're red, or I forget who's red and who's brown, but whichever color it is, that's who it scares, who it jumps at.
Oh, I was gonna it shows you a lot more than it does to me.
That's the entire part of the map. That's that shit that we did.
Dude, we literally never, I don't ever think we checked the right side of the map, really.
Yeah, we basically just circled around. We missed the entire top right. I think we missed the entire top right of our...
Yeah, I skipped it because I highly doubt people want to see it. Should we do another round or should I...
No.
I'm saying, I got another 12 minutes left of recording.
I don't think so.
You don't want to?
No.
You probably really don't till tomorrow, do you?
We're gonna probably do it tomorrow, but
What, you all scared off for today?
Yeah, not again. I can't. No, not today. Not today.
Damn, okay.
I know you want to go another round, but I'm not. I can't do another round.
I'm starting to get to the point. I'm liking it. It's definitely worth $1. It's gonna let me piss out of me.
Yeah, play with Andrew.
Oh, I highly doubt Andrew will ever get this.
Yeah.
No, he has skating.
What should we do for like the last 12 minutes? Are you just gonna end it, or?
I don't know. Should we end it, or should we find another game to do real quick? Or do you have to go to bed, kind of thing?
Nah, so I don't have a bedtime.
Me either. Well, damn it, I'm not really even leveled up on that, because I could say Xenoverse, but I'm not really leveled up on that shit.
If you want, we can jump on Black Ops 2 again. We can do online or something.
I'm not doing gun game with your ass. I mean, you could do zombies. I could just stop the recording when you do zombies.
Yeah, let's do that.
So I was gonna include you guys in the conversation too. Don't worry, you guys were gonna be in the conversation soon. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You're gonna hear us scream like bitches for about 23, 24 minutes. So I hope you guys really enjoyed our pain and suffering, and you'll probably hear more of it tomorrow. Maybe same difficulty. I don't know if we might play this up. So stay cool. Bye.